Hi everyone, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I thought it would be fun to make afternoon tea. So we're going to make some finger sandwiches, some deviled eggs, a pot of tea of course, maybe a little sweetie. So come along and join me and I'll show you what I do. While the tea is steeping, I'm going to make our sandwich fillings. This is a 4.5 ounce can of albacore tuna. It was packed in olive oil. I drained it, just breaking it up a little here because it was pretty solid. I'm going to add some chopped onion and some chopped celery and some mayonnaise. And we're going to serve that on a little potato roll that I'll show you in a second. I'm also going to make some shrimp salad, so I cooked up 10 shrimp. I just boiled them in a little bit of water. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and I'm going to mix in some garlic, some scallion, and some celery. And for this recipe, let's add these. I'm going to use veganese because I think mayonnaise is a little heavy for this dish. I'll put a dollop of veganese. It's a little lighter than regular mayonnaise. Just fold this all together. And we're going to serve this on top of some rye bread. And I might even go into the garden and get some chives to sprinkle on top because I'm going to serve these open-faced. I also hard-boiled 4 eggs and I'm going to make some deviled eggs. So what I've done is separate the yolks from the whites. I'm just going to mash these up a little bit with a fork. Again, I'm going to add some salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and I have some dry mustard here. Shake in a bit of that. Gives it a little kick. And I also have some country Dijon mustard. I'm just going to add about a half a teaspoon of that. And a little bit of mayonnaise. Now I'm going to stir all this together. Now you want to get it to the consistency that you want to fill the eggs with, so if you need a little more mayonnaise, you go ahead. If you want to be really fancy, you can put this into a piping bag and pipe them into your eggs and make them look all decorated. I'm going to add a tiny bit more mayonnaise. So I want it a little bit creamier. Basically you want a nice paste that you're going to spoon back into the eggs. So this is the way I like it. And now I'll show you how I fill them. So now I take about a teaspoon of the egg mixture and I put it back into the center. Now that we have them all filled, I'm gonna give them each a little pinch of paprika. That's a little festiveness. Okay, let's build our sandwiches. I didn't make a lot of shrimp salad. I took 1 piece of rye bread, I cut it into 4s. I have these 2 adorable chive blossoms from my garden, which I've rinsed off. We're gonna top the sandwiches with that. And I'm just gonna serve these open face. So I'm just spooning on some of the shrimp salad to each piece here. Sometimes I like to serve open face sandwiches because then you're only getting half the bread. They're easy to eat. It's a nice way to display your pretty salads. See if I can squeeze a little more on here. For the tuna salad, I have these little potato flatbreads. They come pre-cut like this. So I'm gonna put a nice heaping scoop of tuna salad in each one. Try to get it to the edges. I'm gonna try to cut these smaller. We're trying to make finger sandwiches here, so. Okay, I'm gonna put the lids on. And I'm gonna try to cut these on an angle and see if they still come out pretty. They're very soft. Should I do them in 4s? Should I keep them like that? Let's do them in 4s. I think it'll just be more fun. This is a bread knife, but this is very soft, so there we go. There. Isn't that cute? And I'll do the other one and we'll serve this up. Time to pour the tea. This is Oolong. It's one of my favorite teas, and it really doesn't need anything added. Cheers. It was fun, wasn't it? Thank you for joining me today. I hope you do something fun like this for yourself. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!